of them.
You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were. Oh shit!
No. No. Go put it away.
The freaking counters! Augustus, calm down. Mommy's... Do that.
Oh my god, the cat is on fire. Holy sh...
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants. Oh no.
Did you get that? Oh my god.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at... Excuse me?
Stop. I'm literally just trying.
Kaya.
She can't find it.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's good. Right?
You say hi?
Look what I made for you. A little pillow.
It's a Georgie pillow.
No. Oh my gosh.
Stop messing with me.
Oh.
Excuse me?
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna actually...
Oh my!
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it.
Can you move? Stop.
You wanna go out? Hold on. Wanna go out?
I do, ba do, I do.
Spam, correct?
Harry, why are you such a jerk?
It's not that serious.
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Kyle, stop. Kyle!
For them who are families, I think. Ay, estrella! Mamá la perra.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you. Oh, sorry. I'm a cat lover. I'm sorry.
Lasagna is being fed like lasagna like 3 times.
Okay.
You want attention, but you're just gonna hiss at me. Okay.
Not pure.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Oh no! If that's my cat, who the fuck is this?
Hi.
Can you hold the fuck?
My somebody so.
Playing in the cobwebs, you look like you're wearing a veil.
Wy did?
O, they are. Wy nie znajdzie.
Since before they were eggs.